Super fun. So glad to know it came back again this year. Went the last time round and it was so fun. Even the adults enjoyed themselves. We were so lucky that it wasn't raining the day we attended. We'll definitely go again. Despite the light rain, it was so much fun. The kids love the slides especially. There is also a changing area, some shopping and food stall. Great event. Super fun for families with kids who enjoy water-based fun. It was a well-organized event. The only issue was few changing rooms leading to long queue. It was very fun and very organized. The floats are in good condition and suitable for children to play. Thank you to the staff there for assistance too. Easy purchase on Klook and just scan QR code for events entry. Love Splashtopia fun. Nice place to play but was disturbed by bad weather, shower area need to walk a bit. All of us have great fun. This is an awesome bouncy playground for the kids. Even the adults have great fun. The allocated time is just enough and there's finger food to fill our stomachs before round 2. It's not only for kids as I and other adults enjoyed it together with their children. It's great family outing and great bonding with your children. The place was well managed and the staff were great with the children. Highly recommend it to everyone. Value for money. We'll probably go again. Our kids truly enjoyed themselves at Splashtopia. Despite being cut short due to unforeseen weather, the staff were very nice and understanding to let us reschedule for another session. Definitely looking forward to go back again. Nice place for family bonding. Kids love it. Hassle-free when booked via Klook. This place should be closed after 31st March. Kids are having so much fun and they all enjoy. Great fun for the family. Try to go on a later time slot to beat the heat. 5 p.m. is good time. Kids had lots of fun. Good place to go with kids and have a great bonding especially during school holiday. But today weather was so hot. This is an awesome bouncy playground for the kids. Even the adults have great fun. The allocated time is just enough and there's finger food to fill our stomachs before round 2. Sunny weather helps to keep you warm. Small slides not meant for adults. Adults and kids will enjoy. It's a super fun experience. The facilities are quite equipped and I didn't feel it was overcrowded. The staffs were prompt and always check in and lifeguards were always on duty. We'll definitely go back if this happens again. Came on the last day of operation, on Hari Raya. Everything was well managed except the pirate slide where my son insanely had to queue for nearly an hour, ridiculously managed. Overall, definitely a fun-filled experience for any child. Very fun experience for the children. It's very tiring but super fun. Make sure you pile on the sunblock. The staff there though young were helpful to the young kids. The garlic double patty cheeseburger was also delicious. There is a free $5 voucher if you sign for Sentosa Islander. It is pretty pricey for a burger though $15.90 after $5 discount and like 5 tortilla chips. My 6 and 8-year-old kids had so fun. There is at least one crew at each station. The area was well maintained with regular cleaning. There were also organized games at regular intervals, 11 a.m., 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. where winners get prizes. Limited shaded seating area so minimize belongings. Lockers available at $4 each. Changing rooms available. Shower facilities are portable cubicles. This is located right next to beach station car park so very convenient for those who are driving. Management does not allow food and drinks but patrons can purchase food from 2 food trucks, one selling fish and chips and the other one selling burgers. There are so life jackets available for younger children who are not water safe yet or those looking to unwind. Splashtopia provides the perfect opportunity to relax and soak up the sun. Drift along the gentle currents as you take in scenic views of the surrounding landscape, allowing your worries to melt away with each passing wave.